Hi, this is Mark from Rublon. I'm going to show you how you can protect Outlook web app logins with phishing-resistant Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication using FIDO2 Security Keys. FIDO keys are phishing-resistant because the private cryptographic key never leaves the device. Each authentication session is unique and tied to a specific application. I open the Outlook web app login page and enter my username and password. Now, Rublon prompts me to authenticate using my FIDO2 Security Key. I insert the key into the computer's USB port. I touch the key to confirm the login, and I'm logged into Outlook web app. Rublon supports a variety of other authentication methods, including mobile push, phone call and SMS, email, as well as OTP passcodes. Enables secure access to networks, servers, endpoints, and applications using modern MFA. Go to Rublon.com and start a free trial of Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication.